Hello, my name is Andy and I am the Village Idiot. I'm armed with a car and a GoPro and an unhealthy amount of time on my hands. And today we are in a very rural location. As you can see from the fields and the farmland. Let's see where this is, shall we? And that's just about going to do us for the very small rural settlement of Gildingwells. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Once again, I've probably missed quite a lot. This is me. I am the Village Idiot, so I'm probably going to have missed some stuff. But it's your turn, so comment and tell me any information that you think I might need to know about this little place. Other than that, I've been the Village Idiot, and once again, I'm out!